Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a 2-ingredient ice cream that is so creamy, super delicious and super quick. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So to make the creamiest ice cream, you will need whipping cream and condensed milk. I'm not going to measure my ingredients, I'm just basically going to wing it. You just need to put like enough amounts and equal amounts of each. So I'm just going to start off with my whipping cream, then I will add in my condensed milk. You can add icing sugar to this regarding how sweet you'd like your ice cream, but these two ingredients are just enough. I will then use a mixer to mix in the ingredients, and I'll just whip everything with the machine until it gets a heavy consistency. That's basically the whipping cream that's going to take action. Then I will now add in the vanilla essence. About a tablespoon or a teaspoon would do regarding the amount that you have, and I'm just going to mix it into the mixture and it's ready to set in the fridge. I'm just basically going to be putting mine into the freezer for quite some time, about 2 to 3 hours, and everything will be looking good by then. You will have your ice cream for sure. This process doesn't take much time. I'm just getting a pan. This is like a baking pan, which is really good for making ice cream because it will char really easily. And if you're wondering what charring is, it's basically the process of how the ice cream freezes and becomes ice cream. So that's it. So once the ice cream is ready, I will just peel off the cling film, and actually when you put it into the freezer, guys, you need to ensure that you've covered it and sealed like all the air holes that could be in the mixture so that the ice cream freezes properly. That is a really key step I noticed. So that's it. That's how creamy my ice cream was, and it was so delicious, guys. I couldn't stay without having it every night. This is how it was so good. And I'm just going to serve, and that's how it should be looking. I actually didn't let it freeze for a very long time. I should have left it overnight, but trust me, by the next day the ice cream was perfect. But I enjoy mine just as creamy. I don't like it too hard, and this was really good. So please subscribe if you liked this video, and for more videos hit the notification bell and also the like button. Thank you guys. Bye.